Hey, what's going on? It's Garrick and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I make videos to modify my Tesla Model Y, reviewing Tesla, tech, and of course, cell phone accessories. In this video today, we're going to be checking out a pretty cool accessory from EVBASE. This is the Smart Button Storage Box. And this Smart Button Storage Box is going to make our lives easier. One, it's going to give us some added storage space that we're missing in the Tesla. And two, it's going to add some smart button features that's going to make our life a little easier. And the great thing about this Smart Button Storage Box, this actually doesn't take more than 10 minutes to install. So let's go hop over to my Tesla Model Y and let's go get this installed. Underneath the rear ear vent, you are to use the trim removal tool, which came with the kit, to remove the rear panel. You are then to detach the OBD2 port and daisy chain the EVBASE commander into the OBD2. You would then slide the commander underneath the carpeted area. Be sure to detach the clip which is holding the carpet to the center console. After everything is attached, be sure to tuck the wires and you can put the rear panel back. So let's go over the Smart Button Storage Box. It's actually pretty cool. And what I mean by pretty cool, it actually has a nice mat that goes up top here. It protects some of the devices here. It won't let it slide around without being a hard plastic compared to others out there. So let's go over these buttons real quick. These buttons are really, really simple. Right over here, the first button is going to open up the passenger door. This is going to open up the rear driver's side door. This button over here is going to open up the rear passenger door. Now, this button over here is going, if you click it once, it's going to open up the glove box. You click it twice, it's going to open up the front. And this one right over here is that you hit it once, it's going to have the passenger seat move up. And if you hold the button down, it's going to keep moving the seat up. Now, if you hit it twice, this particular button is going to lock all the windows in the back so the kids can't play with the windows. This button right over here is going to have the passenger seat go backwards. And if you hit it twice, it's going to preheat the battery. Now with this button right over here, you click it once, it's going to open up the trunk. And if you double click, it's going to go into motion mode. And if you click this button once, it's going to turn on the dome lights. And if you click it twice, it's going to close the mirrors. Now, this is all powered by a battery that's in here. And there is a USB-C port right over here where you can actually plug in a USB-C cable that's going to be able to charge the battery, or you can run power directly through here as well. So that's a nice little touch. And the great thing about this unit here, you can see there's little rubber dots here that's going to protect the back of the screen. And over here, this is going to touch to the back portion over here, so it's not going to rattle. It's going to keep this in place. So over here, there's a magnet. And that magnet's placed there for a reason. It actually does come with a metal plate where you can actually place it right on here. And it has double-sided tape where you can actually add something on the back of this in order to use it on the back of the screen. So that's a nice little touch there. Now, to install this, it's really simple. All we're going to do is go behind the screen. And there you go. We're done. Nice little storage space here. Now, as you can see, it actually looks very proportionate. The button layout here, it's actually really nice. So let me show you how the buttons work. All right. So with this button right over here, just by pressing it once, as you can see, my passenger door just opened. If I'm going to hit this button right over here, it's going to open up the rear driver's side door. And then with this button right over here, it's going to open up the rear driver's side door. And with this button right over here, it's going to open up the glove box. Very nice. Now if I tap this twice, it's going to open up the front. Now take a look at the screen here. Front is now open. Right over here, this button is going to move the passenger seat. As you can see, it's moving forward. Now if I hit this twice, it's going to lock windows. With this button here, it's going to push the seat back. Now if you hold the button, it's going to push it back even further. And then with this button right over here, this is going to open up the trunk. And as you can see, my trunk is opening up. If you hit the button again, it's going to close the trunk. Now with this button, it's going to turn on the dome light or turn it off. Now it's off. If I want to turn it on, turns it on right over there. And if I want to close my mirrors, I'm going to tap the button twice. And if I want to open them, hit it twice again. So let me give you my thoughts on the smart button storage box. I think this is pretty cool. If you really look at it, this adds a nice touch to it, gives you a little extra storage that we currently don't have. I do love the smart button feature where you're able to open and close the door. I really do like this unit here. This is able to move the seat forward and backwards, which is really, really nice. Aesthetically, it actually looks pretty good inside the Tesla. I really do like how it actually turns out. Now, if you are interested in getting one of these, you can definitely click on the link in the description below. You can also use my discount code to help you save some money. Now, the great thing about my discount code, not only does it give you a discount on this particular accessory, it's going to be able to give you a discount on all the accessories listed on their website. So definitely do take advantage of using my discount code. Now, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, anything you want me to review, please leave that comment below. Now, if you are a subscriber to my channel, thank you for the support. If you're not a subscriber, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on cool, great new accessories for your Tesla. All right, everybody, be safe out there, and I'll catch you on the road.